In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with Klarna on Booking.com. Easy. 5 minutes. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start in Klarna. Jump to Booking.com through the proper link and choose Klarna at checkout for flexible payment options. Start by opening the Klarna app or going to Klarna in your browser. Make sure you're signed in and that your account is set up with a valid payment method because Klarna needs that to approve and schedule your installments. Once you're in, look for the search bar at the top. Type booking.com, and you should see it appear as a supported store within Klarna. Select the option that says Shop at booking.com, Pay with Klarna. This button is important. It routes your shopping session through Klarna so you can use their payment plans later at checkout. If you skip this and go directly to booking.com on your own, you might not see Klarna as an option, so always begin from the Klarna search result. Next, choose Go to Booking.com. Klarna will open Booking.com in a Klarna-enabled browser tab or within the app. From here, shop as you normally would. Search your destination, set your dates, compare properties, and pick the room or package you want. Keep an eye on the payment terms on each listing. Some stays are paid at the property or billed later by the hotel, which may not support Klarna. For Klarna to work, you'll need an online checkout flow where the payment happens during booking. When you reach the checkout page, look for the option to pay with Klarna. Select it to see the available plans in your region. These may include paying in installments or paying later. Review the payment schedule, check the total amount in currency, and confirm that your billing details match what you use in Klarna. Then proceed to complete your purchase. Klarna will run a quick assessment, and once approved, your booking will be confirmed and your repayment plan will be scheduled. You'll receive confirmations from both Booking.com and Klarna. If you don't see Klarna at checkout, it could be that the specific property, room type, or your location doesn't support it. Try a different room option that requires online payment, or ensure you started the session by tapping Shop at Booking.com inside Klarna. Also, keep the Klarna app updated and make sure you have sufficient Klarna spending limit. That's it. Start in Klarna, search for Booking.com, tap the Klarna shopping link, go to Booking.com, and choose Klarna at checkout. Pause or replay as needed, and happy travels.